Welcome once again to my channel. SAA Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own stretch mask cream. This cream is very effective, but please use it continuously and it is organic. So guys, let's get back to my workstation and make this cream together. Remember to subscribe, share and like my video. Before we start, this is my stretch mask soap. It is very good. If you combine it with this stretch mask cream, you are way to go. So call us and get yours. My first ingredient will be my cocoa butter for this stretch mask cream. Yes, cocoa butter is our base, which is 100 grams of it. Yes, 100 grams of it. Cocoa butter is very good. It fades stretch marks very fast. It cures stretch marks. Okay, so my next ingredient will be my shea butter. Shea butter is 50 grams of it, 50 grams, and also my coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best oil that can fade in stretch marks. Yes, and coconut oil is also good. It has some nutrients in it, so coconut oil is 60 grams of it. And my next ingredient will be my almond oil. Almond oil is also very good. It glows, it cures, so almond oil is also very good. I'm scooping in 40 grams of my almond oil. 40 grams of my almond oil. So I'll add to the mixture, and my next ingredient will be my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also one of the oils that fades in stretch marks. Yes guys, so you have to also include vitamin E oil in your formulation. It helps in fade, heals all skin problems. So I'm scooping 30 grams of my vitamin E oil into this mixture, then I'll add to it. So right now we are going to double boil our oils and butters. Okay, yeah, this is my hot water and I'm going to put my mixture on it. Yes, please, in a low heat, when you want to do that double boiler method, in a low heat, please let it melt. Okay, in a lower heat, don't let it melted completely. Let some particles inside, then you remove it from the water. And this is my grapefruit essential oil. I add in 10 drops, and my lavender oil, it heals skin. Yes, 10 drops of it too. Then I will mix it together. You mix it for it to be mixed. Okay, after that, then you scoop in the oil into a container. Please, a clean sanitized container. Add to it into the container and let it sit for it to be solidified. If you have watched my video up to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, yes, do so to support your girl, and also like my video. Yes, right now I'm going to put it there for it to be solidified for some time, and you are away and you can use it. It is very effective. Yes guys, it is very effective. Don't forget, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video.